Last year, I failed. Some of you might not know this about me, but I set out to create something big and meaningful last year, a sewing course. But not just any sewing course, mind you, the best sewing course ever created. Yeah, right. So I planned meticulously. I filmed hours of footage. After seeing version 1, I decided to ditch everything and reshoot all over again. I edited for days on end, but in the end, I never actually finished the thing because life, as it does, just kind of got in the way. Unexpected change, pure economical reality, just made it impossible for me to stay in the creative field, even though I really enjoyed the place. And quite frankly, I was just fed up with the uncertainty. So I decided to do a 180. I got swept away into a whole new world, a new career, away from fashion, away from design, into stability. And at this time of my life, I think stability is actually exactly what I need. And don't get me wrong, I love my new life. I love my career. I love the people, the new tasks. I'm learning new things every day. Sometimes we let go of things that are so dear to our hearts. There's just so much riding on it, and the process is the way, right? Until it's time to wrap it up. Do you sometimes also get the strange pull to just stop right at the brink of completion? Because I certainly do, and it's not fun. Just to tuck the almost finished project out of sight, out of mind, safe from criticism, safe from failure. Yeah, that's how projects go to die. The truth is, I was scared. I was scared the project might not be good enough, that the course wasn't good enough. What if I'm just not good enough? But the need to create, it just never left me. That's why I kept this atelier space. It was like a monthly subscription to my designer self. And as long as this part of me is still there, I could hold on to that dream that I will eventually finish this project and my sewing course. So I kept telling myself, one day I'm gonna finish, one day I'm gonna start over. Well, today is that one day. This time, I'm bringing you along with me, and we're going to build this thing together. And yes, of course, I'll teach you how to make your own clothing, but it's just so much more than that. It's not just about making the newest, trendiest clothing, right? It's more about the person you can become. One that realizes their creative potential and who uses their hands to create beautiful things. Maybe finally finding your unique sense of fashion outside of the fashion industry. Maybe in some small way I can help you to approach clothing in a different way. That would be cool, right? Or maybe I just give you the tools to make the dress that you always dreamt about and could never afford because I've been there. I've been there a lot. Let's be honest, the fashion industry can be a great place, but they also have a lot of overpriced dresses in maybe nice designs, but made out of weird materials or strange sizing that doesn't fit people. If you struggled with this and want to start a new hobby, welcome. Let's do this. Maybe you also have something that you feel you failed at, tucked away in a drawer, never to return to again. Maybe it's time to open that drawer. So I see you in the next one.